Okay, picture this. You're more than 24 miles above Earth, standing on a tiny step outside a balloon capsule. That's where Felix Baumgartner found himself, ready to do something no human had ever done before. Break the sound barrier with nothing but a spacesuit and guts of steel. The air is so thin you can barely breathe, and the curve of the Earth looks unreal beneath your feet. Felix takes a moment, salutes, and just lets go. Instantly, he's in freefall, plummeting toward the planet at a speed that'll smash every record in the books. Now in those first seconds, he's spinning, out of control. Anyone else might black out or panic, but not Felix. He stabilizes, locks his eyes on the horizon, and starts picking up speed. And then, boom! He hits 843 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. For a moment, he's literally outrunning his own sonic boom. Imagine the adrenaline, the pressure, the roar of the wind in your helmet, and knowing the entire world is watching you live. After 4.5 minutes of pure vertical freefall, Felix's parachute opens. He glides down, landing safely in the desert, grinning from ear to ear. He didn't just break records, he shattered limits most of us didn't think were possible. Felix Baumgartner is proof that with guts, grit, and a crazy dream, you can actually leap into history. Seriously, what would you do if you weren't afraid to take that first step? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more epic stories.